we have 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 1 equals 24. So step 1, understand the structure. We see two exponential terms, 2 to the power of x and 2 to the power of x plus 1. They are related because 2 to the power x plus 1 equals 2 to the power of x times 2. This is a key exponent rule. So a to the power of m plus n equals a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So step 2, rewrite the second term. Replace 2 to the power of x plus 1, right? So 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x times 2 equals 24, right? So step 3, clearly 2 to the power of x plus 2 times 2 to the power of x equals 24. Now step 4, notice common factor. Both terms contain 2 to the power of x and 2 to the power of x. So we factor it. 2 to the power of x 1 plus 2, right? So equals 24. Now step 5, simplify inside brackets. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, right? So 2 to the power of x times 3 equals 24. Now step 6, divide both sides by 3. We want to isolate 2 to the power of x. So 2 to the power of x times 3 divided by 3 and equals 24 divided by 3. Now 3 and 3 cancel. Now 2 to the power of x equals 3, 1 and 3, 8. 3 times 8 equals 24. So 8. Now step 7, rewrite 8 as power of 2. We check power of 2. 2 to the power of 1 equals 2 and 2 to the power of 2 equals 4 and 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8, right? So now rewrite 2 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 3. Yeah, so step 8, same base rule. If a to the power of m equals a to the power of n, then m equals n, right? So bases are same, 2 and 2. So x equals 3. Final answer, x equals 3.